One poor decision during a lifting operation can cause a deadly disaster. In this case, a steel mold almost brought down the entire crane system, putting lives, equipment, and production at risk. Always plan your lifts, check the load capacity, and never take shortcuts. Remember, safety first, because one mistake can destroy everything. Joao is a bus driver, but he's operating a machine without training. One wrong move, and a metal piece hit his face. Never improvise tasks. Safety and proper training save lives. A lifter was loading a large part of factory machine onto a trailer when suddenly the crane chain snapped. The massive piece dropped directly onto the trailer, causing it to break instantly. Everyone nearby had to run to safety just in time. Incidents like this show how dangerous lifting operations can be if equipment fails or safety measures are ignored. Always inspect chains and rigging, never overload cranes, and keep all personnel clear of suspended loads. Proper planning and vigilance can prevent disasters. Safety should never be compromised. A worker was cutting a wall with a big electric grinder when suddenly the tool slipped and fell to the ground. As he turned, he lost balance and almost fell onto the running grinder. He managed to pull himself back just in time, but still got hurt on his stomach. This could have been far worse. Always secure your tools, wear protection, and stay alert. Safety saves lives. In a factory, workers were shifting a heavy machine using a lifter, but it suddenly slipped and fell hard to the ground. Luckily, no one was injured, but it could have ended in tragedy. Always check lifting balance, use proper equipment, and keep a safe distance. Safety awareness prevents serious accidents. A worker's hand got caught in a machine roller, a tragedy that could have been prevented. Always use proper guards, follow safety rules, and stay alert. Remember, no job is worth a life. Safety first. A heavy iron piece was being lifted by strong ropes